It's a program to drill a test plate for the Emco 5 series lathe spindle nose to check that the holes are positioned correctly in the backplate. The test plate that's just been drilled on the Emco F1 CNC mill is now fitted onto the nose of the Compact 5 CNC lathe with all of the screws, all of the chuck attachment screws in, the 3-jaw and the 4-jaw. And you can see that it's perfectly free to move. Which is showing that all the screws are positioned correctly. Material is 7075 aluminium. Just turned off the end of a bar early for the test, and the holes are 5mm.